doing geometric progression, and today we will discuss sum of geometric progression up to infinity. So let us discuss sum of geometric series up to infinity when common ratio is less than 1. If we have a geometric progression ar square, ar cube up to infinity, then sum to infinity is given by a upon 1 minus r, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio, and one condition is this, that r should be less than 1. So let us try the questions. First question, sum of the following series to up to infinity. So we have the series 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 upon 27 and so on. So in this first term is 1, so a is 1. And what about the common ratio? Common ratio r is equal to minus 1 upon 3 upon 1. So it is minus 1 by 3. Also if we check 1 upon 9 upon minus 1 by 3, it will be minus 1 by 3 again. So we have common ratio as minus 1 by 3, and therefore sum to infinity is given by s infinity is equal to a upon 1 minus r, as r is less than 1. We have to check magnitude of r. Magnitude of r is 1 by 3, which is less than 1. So the sum is 1 upon a is 1 upon 1 minus r. R is minus 1 by 3. So it will be 3 upon 4. Next question is, prove that x raised to power half, x raised to power 1 by 4, x raised to power 1 by 2 up to infinity is equal to x. So let us first write this as x raised to power. Now the base is same for all, that is x. Therefore in multiplication the powers will get added. So we have half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to so on. This expression is geometric progression. Let us check. It is 1 by 2. 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. So common ratio is 1 by 2. If we divide 1 by 8 by 1 by 4, again the common ratio is 1 by 2. So therefore the common ratio is 1 by 2, and the first term is half. So it is sum to infinity. So sum to infinity is given by a upon 1 minus r. So what is a? A is half, first term, and common ratio is also half. So half, 1 minus 1 upon half is half, half by half is 1. So it will be x to the power 1, because we have calculated sum of this. So it is x to the power 1, which is equal to right hand side of the expression. Next question is, find an infinite GP whose second term is 2 by 9. So second term of the GP is 2 by 9 and sum to infinity is unity. So we have an infinite geometric progression. We have given infinite geometric progression whose second term. So what is general term of GP? General term of GP is given by Tn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1. So what will be the second term? T2 put n is equal to 2. We have a r to the power 2 minus 1. So we have a into r. A into r is given to us as 2 by 9. Also we have given sum of infinity is 1. So let us find value of r. R is, from here, r is 2 upon 9a. So s infinity is a upon 1 minus r equal to 1, given it is given to us as 1. So let us now substitute value of r. R is 2 upon 9a. So the expression is completely in a now. So let us now calculate value of a. So it is 9a square, 9a minus 2. Cross multiply it, we will get 9a square minus 9a plus 2. After solving, we will get a is equal to 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Let us now put the value of a in the expression. Ar is equal to 2 by 9, which is given to us. When a is 1 by 3, we have r as 2 by 3, and when we have put a as 2 by 3, r will be 1 by 3. So when we have r and a, we can easily find out geometric progression, which is given by ar square, ar cube and so on. Next question is, the sum of infinite number of terms in GP is 15. So S15, S infinity is given to us as 15, and the sum of their squares is 45. Find the series. So first of all we will assume that geometric progression is ar square up to ar cube and so on. So s infinity is 15 and we have the sum as a upon 1 minus r which is equal to 15. So we have a is equal to 15 1 minus r. Again we have given that sum of their squares is 45. So let us now square the GP. When we square the GP, the first term will be a square, second term will be a square r square and the third term will be a square r to the power 4 and so on. Now the sum of their squares. Now let us now sum this. S infinity is first term, that is a square, and what is common ratio in this case? Common ratio in this case is r square. So we have 1 minus r square is equal to 45 which is given to us. So let us now calculate. We have a square is equal to 45 1 minus r square. Also we have a square is equal to 15 1 minus r. So let us now square this. After squaring 1 we have a square as 2 to 5 1 minus r square. Let us now divide 2 and 3rd. So we have, after dividing we have 45 1 minus r square is equal to 25 1 minus r whole square. Also 1 minus r square is a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. So we have a minus b, a plus b as 1 minus r, 1 plus r, and cancel this with this. This is 5 into 1 minus r square. 1 power cancel with this. So we have 1 plus r is equal to 5, 1 minus r. So we have calculated r from here and r will be equal to 2 by 3. And now substitute r here. So we have a is equal to 15, 1 minus r. So after calculating we will get a as 5. So we have with us a as well as r. So we can easily calculate our geometric progression, which is equal to a, ar square, ar cube and so on. Next is evaluate point 3, 4 bar, 5 bar. This is called bar or you can say point also. What does this mean? This means 45 repeatedly up to infinity. ठीक है, जिसके ऊपर ये आपके पास डॉट्स होंगे दैट मीन्स वो टर्म आपने रिपीट करनी है. सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज 0.34 डॉट 5 डॉट कैन बी रिटन एज 0.3 as it is 4 5 4 5 4 5 4 pi up to infinity. So also this can be written as 0.3 plus 0.045 plus 0.00045. If we add 0.3, 0.045 and 0.00045, we will get 0.34545. So therefore the next term will be 0.0050 again 45 and the next term will be 70 again 45. So we will have 3 upon 10, 45 upon 1000, 45 upon we have lakh and so on. So we have now 45 common. So 45 common, this is 10 to the power 3, this is 10 to the power 5 and so on. So what will be the common ratio? Common ratio will be 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power 1000. So it will be, I think, 100. Clear? So it is 100. So common ratio is 1 by 100. Clear? Why? Because we have 1 upon 10 to the power 5 divided by 1 upon 10 to the power 3. So after solving this, common ratio is equal to 1 upon 10 to the power 2, which is 100. So common ratio is 1 upon 100, right? So what we have this sum to infinity. So sum to infinity is given as a upon 1 minus r. So what is a? A is the first term, which is 1 upon 10 to the power 3, or you can say 1 upon 1000. 1 minus r, r is 1 upon 100. So after calculating this, we will get 45 into, this is 1 upon 1000 can be written as 45 upon 1000 into 99 by 100 can be written as 100 by 99 in multiplication. So we, after solving, we will get this as 19 upon 55 as the sum. Again, next question is of the same type, 0.6, 0.8. This is 0.6, 6 bar, 8 bar. So this implies that 68, 68, 68, 68 up to infinity. So we have 0.68 can be written as 0.6. 86 can be written as 0.086. Again this can be written as So the complete, this can, if we add 0.6 into 0.086.00086, we will get same 0.686, 0.686 and so on. So what will we get? We will get 6 by 10 as the separate term. Again we have 86 upon 10 to the power 3. Again we have 86 upon 10 to the power 5 and so on. So let us now take common as 86. So we have 1 upon 10 to the power 3 plus 1 upon 10 to the power 5 and so on. So what is the common ratio in this case? Again common ratio in this case is 1 upon 10 to the power 2, which is 1 upon 100. So common ratio is 1 upon 100. This is 1 upon 100 and the first term is 1 upon 1000. So sum to infinity is a upon 1 minus r. So we have a as 1 upon 1000, 1 minus r as 1 upon 100. So after calculating this, we will get the answer as 68 upon 99. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, we will discuss some more question based on geometric progression.